An official image of the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra with dual periscope lenses has leaked. Something new. We had observed a few bets coming from Oppo. Xiaomi and several other manufacturers are integrating two periscope cameras or two telephoto cameras, but they are entirely separate. In this situation, Huawei's approach could be quite intriguing, as they appear to be extremely close, which makes us question somewhat about the potential size that the sensors might have. We might even go so far as to imagine that Huawei will be used one sensor for both lenses. That would be quite a complex task to accomplish. As Huawei could do it, this perfectly explains, as earlier rumors had informed us about the possibility of a double periscope lens, it seemed inconsistent with the leaked image showing a Huawei executive using the phone, where merely 3 camera circles were visible, since in one of these circles there appear to be these 2 cameras, and it also seems that the multispectral camera is there as well. This is the camera Huawei will use to capture color in a manner that is very faithful to reality. The release of this device is officially confirmed for June 11th in China. There is absolutely no doubt that Huawei is creating a lot of anticipation about what it might introduce as an innovation in the photography section. Keep in mind that since the series was simply beneath the letter P, Huawei used to debut good photography technologies in this series, and now that it has transitioned to Pura, the series continues and they keep releasing technologies. We've seen it already with the retractable camera, though we're uncertain if it will stay in the upcoming series, or now they'll bet on this innovation. In China, they have already surpassed 2 lakh reservations, and it hasn't even been officially presented yet. I'm eager for the official presentation, as we're currently learning about this through leaks. Keep in mind, a leak isn't an official presentation.